Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Drive integration with Wrike folders. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Google Drive integration with Wrike folders, start by logging into your Wrike account. Navigate to the folder where you want to enable Google Drive integration. Click on the three-dot menu icon located in the upper right corner of the folder. Select Integrations from the drop-down menu. In the Integration settings, find the Google Drive option. Click on Connect Google Drive. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to sign in to your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials and click Next. You may be asked to authorize Wrike to access your Google Drive data. Review the permissions and click Allow to proceed. Once authorized, you will be redirected back to Wrike. Confirm that Google Drive is now connected by checking the integration status. To attach a Google Drive file, return to your folder. Click on the plus new button in the upper right corner. Select Attach from Google Drive from the menu. A window will pop up displaying your Google Drive files. Browse or search for the file you wish to attach. Click on the file to select it, then click Insert. The file will now be added to your Wrike folder. You can access and manage your Google Drive files directly from Wrike. That's it, you have successfully enabled Google Drive integration with your Wrike folder. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.